Theorem 6.2. If a transversal intersects two parallel lines, then each pair of alternate angles is equal. Here we have two parallel lines AB and CD. We have a transversal PS which intersects AB at point Q and CD at point R. Now these are the angles. I have given them numbers. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have to prove that the alternate angles, the pairs of alternate angles are equal. So there is one pair 3 and 6 which should be equal, and 4 and 5 which should be equal. We have to prove that. So to prove, angle 3 is equal to angle 6 and angle 4 is equal to angle 5. Now if you look at the figure, angle 2 is equal to angle 3. Why? These are vertically opposite angles, okay, because of these two intersecting lines. Fine. So our first statement is angle 2 is equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angles is the reason. Then angle 2, okay, is equal to angle 6. Now we have, it is given that AB and CD are parallel lines. So as per the corresponding angles axiom, this corresponding angles 2 and 6 should be equal, correct? So angle 2 is equal to angle 6, and this is, the reason is corresponding angles axiom. Then similarly, so angle 2 is equal to angle 3 and angle 2 is equal to angle 6. If you notice, in both these equations angle 2 is common, okay, so left hand side is common for both these equations. So that means we can say that angle 3 is equal to angle 6. We are equating the right hand sides, okay. So this is from 1 and 2 that we derive. So angle 3 is equal to angle 6. Now similarly we can prove that angle 4 and angle 5 are equal. So to prove that, again consider angle 1 and angle 4 which are vertically opposite to each other. So that is why they are equal, okay. So angle 1 is equal to angle 4. So that is vertically opposite angles. Then angle 1 is equal to angle 5. That is, this is because they are corresponding angles. So angle 1 is equal to angle 5, corresponding angles axiom. Okay. Now if you again look at these two statements, angle 1 is equal to angle 4, angle 1 is equal to angle 5. Both the LHS are equal, so we can equate the RHS. So that is what we are doing in this statement 6. Angle 4 is equal to angle 5 from statement 5 and 6. And hence we have proved it, that angle 3 and angle 6 which are alternate angles and angle 4 and angle 5 which are alternate angles are equal.